هلا، اسمي علي بزرقان وانا في مدينة لندن النابضة بالحياة مع بنك ستاندرد تشارتد دولة الامارات العربية المتحدة. سوق العقار في وسط لندن انتج نمو ثابت على مدى العقد الماضي، سواء كنت تبحث لشراء عقار استثماري للايجار او منزل عطلة. لا شك ان مدينة لندن هي الخيار الامثل عند كثير من المستثمرين.
I think what's hugely exciting about the market in prime central London at the moment is the diverse spectrum of people who are investing in the city. And we've got a transparent property market with a stable economy and stable politics, which make the country a safe haven for a lot of investors. Perhaps the thing that interests people most is that the market has performed very well in terms of growth over the past 6 to 8 years. To put things in perspective, a property at roughly £1.5 million in 2009 is now worth roughly £2.6 million. It's a 73% increase, according to Knight Frank. As with investing in any large asset, it's important that you have the correct professional advice and you do your research. In our experience, it's very, very easy to buy a property, but it's a lot more difficult to unwind a poorly bought asset. So during the purchase process, it's important to surround yourself with some very good industry professionals. We often find that the fewer people involved, the better. If you can have one solid relationship with each aspect that you need, then that will make life a lot more easy. So you've got your lawyer, you've got your tax advisor, you've got your bank, and you've got your real estate agent or broker. So the majority of our international clients who don't have a base in London, they employ a buying agent like myself to ensure they have one single point of contact, and they do the same with their lawyer. They have somebody based where they are and somebody from the same firm in the UK, and they do exactly the same with their bank. You need a good tax advisor in place. The way that you structure the purchase can have a huge impact on taxation, be it capital gains tax, inheritance tax, annual enveloping tax. To be honest, we found that even if you're a cash buyer, it often makes sense for them to raise some kind of leverage against the purchase, because they've said, and so have tax advisors, that it makes sense to them from a tax perspective and it makes the investment more efficient. Aside from that, if the purchase is with a view of renting the property out, you'll often find that the rental income will cover any potential mortgage repayments. You will need a good UK-based property lawyer to help. It's important, I would say, to employ somebody based in London and with experience of dealing with transactions in London, particularly London leases, which can be written in very old English and can be quite complicated. And it's important that you have somebody there to look after your best interests so that there aren't any surprises when you move in.
إذا كنت تريد أن تعرف أكثر، فاتصل ببنك ستاندرد تشارتد الإمارات العربية المتحدة.